Hello world, let's install PyTorch in Ubuntu. Now this documentation has been made by me on August 17, 2024, and at that time, based on the particular dependencies of my CUDA and other GPU driver, I have installed as per the instruction given in PyTorch installation guide. So the website is, you can see here in PyTorch official documentation. Okay, let's open it here. So you can see here, this is the official documentation for the installation, and let me check what is my Ubuntu. Okay, so let me check what is my NVIDIA's CUDA version. Okay, for that reason I need to use NVIDIA SMI command. Okay, so here you can see the driver version is 550 and the CUDA version is 12.4. So for that particular CUDA version, if I want to use pip for installation, and this is 12.4, so here you can see that there are multiple CUDA versions, and for each CUDA versions the installation commands is a little bit different based on from which URL the files are fetched. Okay, so for CUDA 12.4, it is the default installation instruction, default command. So let me copy this. Like you can see here, it is installing torchvision and torchaudio. Okay, and okay, before pasting it, let me create an virtual environment in Python. So for that reason, let's create python 3 env, and the name of the, suppose, torch demo. Okay, now if you want to activate it, source torch demo, okay, within bin folder, and then activate. Okay, so automatically you can see this is activated. Now let me ensure that nothing has been installed within this, because I have just in front of you I have created this virtual environment. So pip freeze, you can see here nothing has been installed. So let's paste it. Let's see whether any error occurs or not. Now it will take much time to install, that's why I need to wait. So let's wait. So very well, you can see here PyTorch has been successfully installed. Okay, and you can also see here how many tools and libraries have this particular single command installed. Okay, now let's check which libraries has been installed within this virtual environment. You can see here lots of libraries have been installed. So now let's check Python. Okay, let's check import torch. Now mind it, this particular script is running within particular this environment, torch demo environment. So naturally we should not get any error if I import torch. Okay, as per expectation, no error has been thrown. Okay, so let's see, print whether CUDA is available or not. If CUDA is available, that is if it returns true, that means it is using GPU. Okay, so torch dot CUDA dot is available. Okay, that's a function. So let's enter. Okay, you can see here this is true. Now let's check once again the particular documentation. So it's much in detail. Okay, you can refer this one. Okay, so suppose you want to know also the name of the GPU. So here obviously you can see here NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650, very low RAM, 4 GB RAM. Okay, still I'm showing you, and the same GPU I'm using even today. So let's also use this command print CUDA get device. Okay, torch dot CUDA dot get device name. Okay, now let's hit enter. You can see here NVIDIA GeForce 1650. Okay, so we have successfully installed PyTorch. Now let me give you another surprising thing. It is not surprising, but still it is important. Okay, let's first deactivate this environment, and after deactivate, let's type python 3, and here let's import torch. Okay, you will get an error because by default torch is not installed. It is installed within that particular torch demo environment. Okay, so you can refer this particular documentation, that's really in detail, and I have put much effort to create this document. Okay, so if you follow entirely this document, I think so far you can hardly get any error during the installation, because some number of other possibilities are hopefully mentioned over here, so that you can avoid any kind of error. Okay, so thanks for watching, and in the YouTube's description, in the video's description, I shall paste this one, or either I shall paste this entire document, or I shall share the file or link of file with the description. Anything I can do among this. Okay, so thanks for watching.